significantly from the highest point of the day. Nifty ending the day in the green, of course, with a surge of nearly 130 odd points, 965 or 980 thereabouts. This is where we are ending for the day. Nifty Bank, of course, was the shining star in today's trading session. Nifty Bank outperforming in trade today, 1.5% higher at that 48,850 odd mark. A whole host of banking and financial stocks were gaining in trade today. Some of the top losers on the Nifty 50 index were all banking and financial stocks. We had Bajaj Finance, which was up 4.3%, Axis Bank up 4%, Shriram Finance up 4%, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC Bank, all of them from the banking and financial services pack, some of the top gainers on the Nifty 50 index. Pharma stocks, meanwhile, were under acute pressure today. Nifty Pharma index was the biggest sectoral loser. We had Granules, which was down 5%, Sun Pharma down 4.5%, Ipca, Laurus Labs, Ajanta Pharma, all of these stocks were under pressure today. On the gaining side, though, we had Nifty Real Estate Index, which was gaining in trade today, the biggest sectoral gainer. Sobha, in fact, was up 9%. DLF, GCPL, Lodha or Macrotech Developers, all of them gaining anywhere between 2 to 5% in trade today. PSU banks, much like other banking and financial services stocks, were gaining in trade today. Bank of India was the biggest gainer from the PSU banking index, up 6%. We had Union Bank, which was up 6%, Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. Both of these stocks from the banking sector, from the PSU banking sector, were gaining nearly 3 to 4% in today's trading session. Union Bank for you on your screen up 4.5%, and we had PNB and PSB also gaining in trade today. In terms of individual earnings reaction that we saw today, TTK Prestige, which was down 8% after it reported very weak set of numbers. Revenues were down 1.5%. Margins contracted by about 60 basis points to 10.9%. TTK Prestige ending the day 9% lower. TVS Motor, meanwhile, on the back of strong set of numbers that it reported, ending the day with a surge of nearly 4.5 to 5%. Revenues were up 10% YOY. Margins expanded to 11.9% versus 11.2% that the company had reported same time last year. EBITDA also expanded significantly. So very strong set of numbers there. TVS Motor up over 5%. Balkrishna Industries, a couple of other stocks which were reacting to brokerage reports that came in today morning. Nomura came out with a report where they upgraded the rating to buy from neutral. The revised target price at 3,242, where they believe that valuations are attractive. They say that the target price of 10% for global versus 6 to 7% now. So very positive brokerage report that came in on Balkrishna Industries, 7% higher on that one. Petronet LNG, where Citi opened a 90-day negative catalyst watch, was declining on the back of this report, ending the day 7% lower. So a whole host of stocks which were reacting to its earnings, but all in all turned out to be a good day. We did recover from the highest point of the day, but ending the day at about 22,980 odd mark. That's all the time we have on this edition of the show, but you don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to ET Now.